India, often called the land of silk, stands out as the only country producing all four major types of natural silk: Mulberry, Tussar, Eri, and Muga. This rich tradition, combined with skilled artisans, has made India a global leader in silk production and export. According to the Indian Ministry of Textiles, India produced 38,913 metric tons of raw silk in the 2023 to 2024 fiscal year. Mulberry silk dominates, accounting for about 92% of production. In the same period, India exported silk and silk products worth $244.27 million United States dollars, with natural silk yarn and ready-made garments leading the way. India's silk exports reach over 30 countries. The United Arab Emirates was the top importer in 2024, with a 35.81% share, followed by the United States and China. Key export products include natural silk yarn, fabrics, ready-made garments, silk carpets, and silk waste. With rising global demand for luxury and sustainable textiles, India's silk sector offers strong opportunities. Exporters can thrive by focusing on quality, identifying the right markets, and leveraging digital trade platforms. India's silk export industry blends tradition with innovation, offering entrepreneurs a rewarding path in the global textile market.